Hey there makers, welcome back to Tech2 Dev, where we dive into exciting electronics and Arduino projects. In today's video, we're going to learn how to read files from an SD card and select a specific file using a rotary encoder. This project is perfect for anyone looking to build a menu system or file navigator for their Arduino projects. Before we dive into the code, let's take a quick look at the components you'll need for this project. An Arduino board. I'm using an Arduino Uno here. An SD card module, a rotary encoder with a push button. And, of course, an SD card with a few text files loaded on it. Now for the connections. If you're not sure how to connect the SD card module to your Arduino, don't worry. I've already covered that in another video. You can find the link to that tutorial in the description below or click the card above. Make sure to check it out for detailed wiring instructions. For the rotary encoder, connect. The clock pin to digital pin 2, the DT pin to digital pin 3, the SW pin to digital pin 4, and don't forget to connect VCC to 5 volts and GND to ground. Alright, with the hardware ready, let's move on to the code. The code will initialize the SD card and list all the files in the root directory. Use the rotary encoder to scroll through the file names. Read and display the selected file's content in the serial monitor when you press the encoder's button. Here's the code. Don't worry. Find the full sketch in the description below so you can download it and try it yourself. The key functions here are list files, to populate an array with file names from the SD card, the rotary encoder logic to navigate through the file names, and read file to open and display the selected file. Now, let's test it out. I've already uploaded the code to my Arduino. As I rotate the encoder, you can see the file names scrolling in the serial monitor. When I press the button, the content of the selected file is displayed. It's that simple. This setup can be the foundation for more advanced projects, like building a media player or a file-based menu system. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Arduino projects. Don't forget to check out the SD card module connection tutorial if you need help with the wiring. The link is in the description below. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and like. If you need any further assistance, I'm happy to help to the best of my ability.